Governor of Manipur has strongly condemned the attack on security forces at Nambol Sabal Laikai on 19 September, in which 2 Assam Rifles personnel lost their lives in the line of duty. Expressing profound grief, the governor conveyed heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families of the martyrs and prayers for speedy recovery of those injured. He lauded the courage and dedication of the soldiers in protecting the nation. Stressing that such heinous acts of violence will not be tolerated, the governor warned that they will be met with the strongest resolve to safeguard peace and stability in the region. At the same time, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata strongly condemned the attack, terming it as cowardly and dastardly. He said such attacks are aimed at derailing the peace process in Manipur. Meanwhile, a solemn wreath-laying ceremony for the brave martyrs who lost their lives in the attack will be held today at Viplov Tripathi training shed in Manipuri garrison at around 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The ceremony will pay heartfelt tribute to the fallen brave hearts of Assam Rifles who would be embarking on their last journey home. Residents of Nambol Kaithel staged a sit-in today against the tragic ambush of 33 Assam Rifles convoy in Nambol Sabal Laikai yesterday evening that martyred 2 personnel, while others sustained heavy injuries. Speaking to the media, a protester condemned the act of opening fire in densely populated civilian areas that could lead to loss of civilian lives. She condemned acts of violence and grave injuries. Placards containing slogans of condemnation and objection were raised in the protest.
Ngarang tang taramapan pung mga makhaida Nambol Sabal Laikai thokiba thodok to akhoi atuki mati akhoi thamoi sone nungaite mi mrakte nomai kapsan ba haibase akhoi swai yaningde.
Residents of Nambol Sabal Laikai, Bishnupur district staged a sit-in today condemning the tragic ambush that took place in the evening yesterday, where 2 Assam Rifles personnel were martyred and 5 others severely injured. Protesters proceeded to march the road stretch from Nambol Sabal Laikai to Nambol Kaithel, yelling slogans of objection. Speaking on the sidelines, Nambol Sabal Laikai Apunba Merapaibi President L. Sarojini expressed concern over the attack, saying Nambol Sabal Kaithel Laikai is a densely populated area with houses located in close quarters, stretching across all directions. She asserted that such an attack risks civilian lives and appealed against such instances from happening again.
Ngarang September gi tang 18 numit asida aikoi gi Nambol Sabal Laikai da thokiba aki tujunglaba thawdo ado yamna laibak thiningai oiba thawdo amani laikai asida karigumba numidangi pung 5 ga minute nifu habese laitalaira kayagi thabak surura nomuraga halaglaga enjang na pilaiba chengcha wanbagi matamni matamdu da dugumba thabak thoonba habese Nambol Sabal Laikai mara paibi apunba luki maigai dagi madu yamna warau jabama di penda banungai taba phauningai oi lai su tawdna lairiba mayam ama magi mane mabadi maku mapangan sondana ana layengdana seba tawdna lairiba mayam adu thadokuna aikoi nupi gaina mara paibini haiduna mataw karamna sorokta tholakadoribano masi punamakse thabak pangthok piramiba isa isu sangsan mayam aduna amukta wakhan khandabiu aduga mirak tinba nupi angang singi marakta di aki akhang tujungba pokpaje matungda di sungthok mak tawbiganu